Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. So in today's video I'm going to do a very interesting video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how you can take amazing looking pictures at your home in very weird locations. So I have seen a lot of foreign YouTubers doing this particular video and they are so fun to watch. So I thought of doing the same for you guys. Initially I wanted to do this at outer locations, but now that we are in lockdown, so why not do it at home? So my home is a little bit old and there are a lot of very weird places that we can take pictures, so I thought that this would be perfect for this video. So yeah, it is a very weird yet fun video. I hope you would like this video, and yeah, if you're interested, let's get started with today's video. Also, before starting with the video, I would really appreciate if you take your time and subscribe to my channel and hit on the bell notification to get notified every time I come out with a new video. And with that, let's get started. Okay, so our very first location is my closet. As you can see, this is a very disgusting looking green color which I hate, and here I do not have a lot of lighting, so let's just see how we can take beautiful pictures over here. Okay, so this is how my closet looks like. It is not organized at all, and that is what we need in this video. Let's just see that how we can take good quality pictures here. Also, I'm using a tripod as always, so yeah, let's begin. Okay, so I have taken some photos standing up. Now I just sat down and let me just see how the pictures come out like this. Okay, I quickly got changed. I got into this t-shirt and I've also opened up my hair, and now I have another location in mind. So I have this weird empty space in my room, so let's just utilize it to take some bomb pictures. This is the location. So this is my bed, and here we have a wall, and I have a little like empty space over here, so I will utilize this space. Okay, so we are done with those pictures. Now I found another location. So we have this huge collection of plants on our windows, and they are not that aesthetic, to be honest. So I would just, make use of those, and let's see what pictures we come out with. So here are those plants, and this doesn't look that nice, but we are going to make it look nice in the pictures. Alright, so the very last location is this weird wall over here. Here we have, all these blazers and all, everything is kept over here and it is pretty dusty. So yeah, this is the next location. So let's just begin with the photo shoot. Okay, so some of the tips that I would like to give you, that you can take pictures, amazing looking pictures in literally any location possible. Play with the poses, play with the things that is around you, and most importantly, enjoy, experiment, and yeah, that is how you're going to get amazing looking pictures. All of the pictures would be there on my Instagram, so don't forget to check it out. Okay, so I think I'm done with today's video. I tried to experiment a lot when it comes to the places. This is an old house. I would be moving to a new house altogether, so this is the perfect area that I could do this video. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Also, if you want to take pictures, do it at your home. This is a perfect time to experiment with your pictures, to experiment with your styles, to experiment with your poses. So yeah, all of the pictures would be there on my Instagram, so don't forget to check it out. And I really hope you like this video, and if you want me to experiment with more locations, do let me know in the comment section below, and do let me know which picture was your favorite. And yeah, that's all. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and hit on the bell notification to get notified every time I come out with a new video. You can always follow me on Instagram, as I'm super duper active there. And till then, stay safe, stay happy, stay positive. I will see you guys in my next one.